Laisha. Laisha is mean visit to a company. The kanji lai is mean come to or to come. And sha is mean company. So that means come to the company or visit to a company. Because the kanji lai is mean come to and the kanji of sha is mean the company. So when we put these two kanjis together, so it can be like laisha and mean visit to a company or come to a company. And in this we create the sentence like Suzuki-san no laisha wa nanji desu ka? Suzuki-san no laisha wa nanji desu ka? Which means, what time will Suzuki-san visit our company? What time will Suzuki-san visit our company? In here, Suzuki-san is mean Mr. Suzuki or Suzuki, and laisha is mean visit or come to, and nanji is mean what time. Nanji desu ka is what time. So in here we can translate to be like, what time do Mr. Suzuki or Suzuki-san visit our company? In here, you should understand that laisha, if you say the word laisha, this means the company that is your company, and other body come to visit your company, so you can say laisha. If you go to visit another company, you don't say laisha. Okay, so you should know how to use the word laisha. Laisha is mean another body come to your company